Okay, so today we will check like how to access the SAP Fiori for free. Okay, you don't need to pay anyone for SAP Fiori, or and the actually the connection is provided by SAP itself. So you can see this particular website. So what you have to do is you have to go for try now. It's a trial account. SAP S4HANA Cloud. You have to give your email address. Once you click on next, it will take you to the universal ID. Now if you don't have the universal ID, you have to create a universal ID. Okay, so on the same page you will get an option to like create a universal ID, or you can check on Google how to create a universal ID. So once you get this link or this page, click start, click here to start your trial. So here if you can see, you will get all the modules. All the modules will be shown here: project management, finance, then sourcing and procurement, sales, okay, solution, order management, supply chain. All of these modules will be asset and service. All of these modules are shown here. Now you have to just select one of the like process what you want to perform. Which one I'll select is procure to invoice from sourcing and procurement. So here actually it will show you all of the tiles from it will also give you start guided tour. Okay, if you want to take, you can just go through it. Then here it will show you other modules also, but you have to go to suppose procurement. So this is a procurement, so these tiles you have, so you can just select any one of it. Like I will select on manage purchase order. So here you can see SAP has already provided the transactional data for we can perform taking this data like materials and everything, and we can perform our procure to pay cycle or inventory management, all of these things. So hope this is helping you. Okay, thank you. If anything, please comment.